So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can tag the real-time crypto prices just by a single click. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have and open a fresh web page. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, here you have to search for CoinGecko. You can check the URL if I pronounce it wrong, .com. Just simply go to this website and be very careful with the URL. If you mistyped it, you won't be able to reach the site. Now, once it gets open, here you can see the real time track cryptocurrency price map in the market cap. Here you can see all the details about each and every Bitcoin right there, each and every crypto right there, cryptocurrency. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.